beauties, and welcome back to my channel, Jari Creates. Hope you guys are doing well because I'm doing fantastic. But today's video, I am going to be showing y'all how I fix my lace wigs after they've been worn. So before we jump into this video, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Press that bell so you don't miss any videos. Give this video a fat thumbs up and comment down below. But let's go ahead and jump right into it. So as you can see, I already have my wig off. I literally just took it off with some alcohol and a cloth. And I went on ahead and put my bald cap back on, because when I took my wig off, it was all the way back here. So it was holding on for dear life. And I did put some more edge control around my edges, just so I could pull my edges, slick them back, because they were not slicked back at all, especially after I rubbed them with some alcohol. They was all over the place. So I have my wig right here. I'm going to show y'all how this lace is looking. So there is the lace. It is a little bit sticky. I don't know, it could be because of the glue I use. I use this Ghost Bond. Hope y'all can see that. Oh, yes, there we go. And then that's really all I use. So as you can see at the bottom, like, you can see this sticky stuff on it. I didn't take it all off, but I'm hoping it doesn't affect it from staying on my head, because I'm really just only going to have this on for another week. And when I woke up this morning, it was just pushed back a little bit. You can see my edges, so that's unacceptable. The first time I did my lace over, I didn't take it all the way off my head. I just kept it on because some of the parts were still glued to my head, and I just used a cloth with alcohol, rubbed it a little bit, kind of just moved my edges out the way because they were all clumped up and stuck to the lace. And I used this stuff. Okay, I can't find it, but actually I did throw it away yesterday, and it's like this little can spray of ebony, and I bought it from the beauty supply store, and I was seeing that a lot of people was using it and saying that they use it to spruce up their lace and that it was a good product. But when I used it, it made my lace like so sticky and soggy, almost like it was falling apart, because I definitely do not think that was the glue. So I was like, I don't think I like this product. But it was so good from what the can said. You know, it was sweat resistant, and it was like really like extreme hold and everything. So I thought it would be a good product. And then I remember getting on TikTok after I installed this wig, and people were saying that they didn't like Evan anymore. And I'm like, I just saw a whole bunch of people say they like Evan. I done bought it. Now y'all don't like it no more. So then I saw somebody say they tried this. And I got this from Walmart. It says freeze hold hairspray. It says 24-hour frizz control. And it says the #1 hairspray brand, and it has a number 5 on it that's highlighted with the black circle, because it says 1 2 3 4 5, and then the 5 is like in bold. So I figured this would be good for me to try, but I'm really scared to try because I don't know how good it is. So instead of trying it today, especially since I took my wig all the way off my head, I'm just going to use my glue for today. And then I guess when I install another wig or something, or if this wig just happens to lift a little bit before I take it off, which will be like next week, then I'll just use this and let y'all see how it works. But we're just not gonna even try this. I'm not in the mood to be disappointed. I need this wig down for another week because I'm not trying to have it looking crazy. So I am gonna go ahead and go with my glue, and I'm gonna get my little silver tail comb, and we're gonna start applying this glue around the edges. Let me move this back because it's up extremely too far. Let's get her done. I got my little blow dryer with me too, right beside me. So I got everything I need. I feel like I put too much glue last time, so I'm trying to be careful to not put so much glue. I really think that might be the issue. That's why my thing is so sticky. I just hope this turns out right. I'm so scared. I don't know if I'm going to apply a second layer. I might, just for extra hold, because I feel like I definitely did way better with this install than I did in the first one, because it definitely stayed on better. Because like my first wig, I think I had to redo the freaking lace like 2 or 3 times, and I finally just gave up because I'm like, this thing is just not sticking. But then again, I used that Ebin stuff, and I'm gonna say either I didn't use it right or it just really isn't that good like people say it was. So, but I'm really trying to like find good products for my lace wigs, and if y'all could recommend me some, drop them down below in the comment section, because I want to really get good at this installing my wigs, because I like doing my own hair. Don't really like people doing my hair. It's just a preference. Plus I save money and time when I do it myself. So I mute y'all for this part because this blow dryer is loud. So I did apply a second layer because I'm pretty sure you could tell. Now I'm going to go ahead and try to put this on. Y'all don't understand how nervous I am. Like, so nervous. It's glue all in my hair. This is so lame. I have to go back in with some alcohol. All right, I'm gonna have to get close for this because I gotta see. Got to see. Got to see. Got to see. Okay, comb. Gonna push it back a little so glue won't get on my hair too much. Okay, I'm not so nervous. I think I did good for my first time doing this in the second row. Cause like I was so nervous about, hold on now, this ain't down all the way. Gotta keep that down cause I don't want this to come up on the side. And I could tell, definitely feel like how I felt when I first put it on, because it was so tight, but it felt secure, so I'm not even complaining. But I gotta keep that down on the side because I don't want that to come up. I got my little bam, but I'm gonna first I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry it first again before I put this on. Okay, so now I'm going to get my clip. I'm going to put my hair up so it can be out of the way. Out of the way. I guess I can use these for edges because they're already right here. So And I guess these two. Even though y'all, I just realized I didn't put this in the back. Hold on. How did I forget to do that? Okay, I got it now. There we go. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and put my thing on. Let me separate these edges first, because some of them didn't really, this side just didn't do right when I first did it, but it should be good now. Okay, I'm gonna get my clip and move this out of the way. I guess you could say I really just did a second install. Okay, I got my brow tool. So let me go ahead and cut these edges. Okay. I got these extra clips. Just put them in the back. Make sure my hair is all the way out the way. Okay, y'all, so I made a mistake with my lace, but we just gonna have to make it work. So I'm gonna have to do more edges because I messed mine up. I'm gonna go ahead and cut them. And y'all send help. Send some help. Okay, so that's enough marinating for right now. I'm gonna go ahead and do these edges so I can be done with this. I honestly feel like my edges might be too thick. I don't know, we'll see. So I'm gonna get my edge control and my edge brush. And we gon', I feel like they might be, I don't know, maybe I'm just overthinking it. Put that right there. Okay. 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 Get a little bit on there. Move it on it. And then you get some on these. And some of these. Okay. So first I like to comb through it. And then swoop it to the side. don't look too bad. Okay. Other side. Comb. And swoop. Okay. Comb. And swoop. There we go. And comb. And swoop. I don't know if I like this side that much. But it'll have to do for now. Okay, so now I'm gonna get my foundation, liquid foundation, put it on the part. Okay, y'all. Go ahead and take this clip out and comb it, brush it. It's my favorite brush. Comb it out, brush it out, so y'all can see the final product. Okay, so this is the final product. I think it looks good for having it on for another week. Yes, girl. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and watch my last video. If you missed it, I will leave the link down below. Comment, like, share this video, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.